Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for ClickUp. To reset your ClickUp account's password, first of all launch open the ClickUp app on your device, and once you're inside the main welcome page, click on Get Started at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email address associated with your ClickUp account in the text box. After typing down your email, if you don't remember the password which you'll need to type in the next page, tap on Forgot Password link. Now click on Open Email app and you'll receive a verification email from ClickUp team. Open it up and then click on Reset Password. On the next page, you'll be asked to create a new password and confirm it. Type down a new password you'd like to set for your ClickUp account in the first field. Now enter the password once again in the next field and finally click the Reset Password button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to reset your forgotten password on ClickUp. Now next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.